Hey guys, Michael here. In this video tutorial I'm going to share with you how to factory reset your MacBook. I'm using here the new 13-inch M1 MacBook Pro released in 2020. The procedure is a bit different since Big Sur, but that shouldn't cause any issue. Also, this fixes the personalization and computer account creation failed errors you might be encountering. Let's get into it. First, and it's optional, you have to create a backup with Time Machine if you have data that you want to move to another MacBook. To do this, you have to go into System Preferences, Time Machine, and select a backup disk. You select the backup disk, and then the process just continues. When it finishes, you have to eject the disk. Since I don't have any data that I want to back up, I'm just gonna skip this step. Second, you have to go to Music and deauthorize this account. You go into Account and go into Authorization and deauthorize this computer. You enter your Apple ID, you click Deauthorize, you enter your password. I'm just gonna enter the password real quick. You're gonna receive a message that this computer was authorized. This computer is not authorized because I already did this step. Press OK and you close Music. Next, you have to sign out of your iCloud account. You have to go into System Preferences, Apple ID, and then go into Overview. Here in Overview, you have to go into Sign Out. Here it asks you to turn off Find My Mac, and it asks for your password. You just put it in, and just hit Continue. Here, Find My Mac is trying to authenticate this user. Here you have to enter your user password that you set up on your computer. Whoops, what's my password? Oh yeah, okay. Oh damn it. Okay, now you're signed out of your Apple ID. You just exit out. Now you have to sign out of your beloved iMessage. Open up the Messages app and then go into Messages, Preferences, and here you go into iMessage. You go into Sign Out, and yeah, you have to press Sign Out, and you're signed out of your iMessage. You have to quit. So now you removed every account from your Mac, but you still have to erase your drive for it to be like new when you received it. To do this, we have to shut down the Mac. It's gonna take a while. Okay, so the Mac shut down. Now you have to go and press on the power button and hold it. You'll see the Apple logo and it says continue holding for startup options. Loading startup options, and now you can release the power button. You have to wait a while, doesn't take a lot. Okay, so now options appear. You have to go into options, click continue, wait for it to load. It's gonna say examining volumes. Okay, so now this screen appears. In here you have to go into Recovery Assistant and press Erase Mac. It says if you are unable to unlock this Mac, you can fully erase it and reinstall macOS. This will delete all media, data, and settings on all volumes on this Mac. An internet connection will be required to reactivate this Mac and reinstall macOS. You'll need an internet connection that works because macOS Recovery will download the Big Sur installer and then installs on itself. So you press on Erase Mac, you tap on Erase Mac. This is gonna take a bit, but not a lot. You don't have to worry about it. Now the Mac is rebooting. Okay, so this screen popped up. You have to choose your language, in this case English. Here it's going to ask you to activate your Mac, and you have to connect to your Wi-Fi. So we'll go into here, into Wi-Fi, and choose our network. We'll enter our password. I don't even know my password, man. I'm bad. I'm really bad at this. Okay, I entered it again and let's see if it works. Okay, now it worked and it's going to activate your Mac. If you didn't sign out of iCloud, it will fail on this step. But we've done that already, if you follow me this way. Activating, yeah, it takes a bit. And it says your Mac is activated. Now we have to tap on exit to recovery utilities, and now we're in recovery mode. Now we'll go into this utility and hit continue. In this utility, you'll see macOS base system and untitled. I like to rename this to Macintosh HD, so we're gonna select on this untitled. We'll go into erase and we'll write Macintosh HD. We're gonna keep APFS in here. We'll tap erase. Erase process is complete. Click done to continue. Click done. We're gonna quit this utility and we're just gonna reinstall macOS Big Sur. You'll hit here continue, agree, and choose Macintosh HD, or the name of the drive you've set up in this utility. I've named it Macintosh HD. Okay, your computer is not connected to a power source. Yeah, it's recommended for this to run on a power source, but I have enough battery, so this won't take a lot. Hit continue. It says about 1 hour and 26 minutes, but that's usually not gonna take that much. It usually takes about 20 minutes or so. It won't take a lot of time. Okay, now it's finished and it's going to boot up into the setup. Okay, so now it booted, and as you can see, it's just like when you bought it. Now you can give it away, sell it, or whatever. You can set it up. It has the latest version of Big Sur, and you can just enjoy it. To shut down from this screen, or to actually shut down your computer, you have to press Command Q and just press shut down. Well, anyways, okay, so we reached the setup screen and now we can set it up. Now the MacBook is like brand new and you don't have to do anything else. As a bonus tip, if you want to shut down your Mac, you just have to press Command Q. And it's just gonna pop this up. Do you want to shut down your computer? And you just press shut down. And that was pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was nothing amazing, but I hope it was useful for you. Okay, thanks. Bye.